Let's get started. This isn't professional advice. Use caution when working on cars. Our advice, don't try this yourself.
Este no es un consejo profesional. Tenga cuidado al trabajar en coches. Nuestro consejo, no intente esto usted mismo.
The car stopped here and wouldn't start. Wouldn't get out of gear. Locked up in drive. No matter how much I pressed the shifter, it wouldn't move. By moving these tabs, you're able to get to a bypass switch on the side of the shifter. Press that down, press this knob down, and you're able to shift it back into park. I checked with GPT to find out exactly what could have caused all this, and it asked me to check out the neutral safety switch, and that might need to be replaced. After checking the shifter, I realized that it was disconnected. I was able to shift it back into park. That's going to need to be repaired or replaced. Let's see. I'm able to figure something out. I actually got a bushing part from O'Reilly's here in Fajardo. Unfortunately, they didn't match up. And getting the cable might be the fix, but I do have something temporary. Found a Dorman bushing at Advanced Auto. This should work. Bushing on there. It is holding and the transmission is engaging properly, so here we go.
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.